What's up now? Flood warning. Halifax, Danville City, Caswell, North Carolina, Pennsylvania, Virginia.
The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a flood warning for Caswell County, Halifax County, Pennsylvania County, the city of Danville, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday. At 11:24 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 0.5 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Danville, South Boston, Alta Vista, Yanceyville, Bethel, Halifax, and Hurt. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of flooding, including mudslides or flooded roads, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter.